The Sumatran orangutan Pongo abeli is one of two species of orangutan, the other being the Bornean orangutan. They are found only on the island of Sumatra in Indonesia and are critically endangered, with only around 14,600 individuals remaining in the wild. Sumatran orangutans have reddish-brown hair, which is longer and more sparse than that of Bornean orangutans, allowing the darker skin to show through. They have distinctive cheek pads on their faces, which are more pronounced in males. Adult males can weigh up to 90 kilograms (200 pounds) and can stand over 1.5 meters (5 feet) tall, while females are typically smaller, weighing up to 45 kilograms (100 pounds) and standing up to 1.2 meters (4 feet) tall. These primates are arboreal, spending most of their time in trees, where they feed on fruit, leaves, and occasionally insects and small vertebrates. They are also known to use tools, such as sticks and leaves, to extract insects from tree bark or crevices. The Sumatran orangutan is threatened by habitat loss due to deforestation, as well as hunting and poaching for its meat and body parts. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these primates and their habitat, including the establishment of protected areas, community-based conservation programs, and the development of sustainable livelihoods for local communities. In addition to the threats posed by habitat loss and hunting, Sumatran orangutans also face other challenges to their survival. One of the main concerns is human-wildlife conflict, which can occur when orangutans enter agricultural areas and feed on crops, leading to conflict with local communities. This can result in the killing or capture of orangutans, which can further contribute to their decline. Another challenge facing Sumatran orangutans is the risk of disease. As primates, they are susceptible to many of the same diseases as humans, and the increasing proximity of human populations to orangutan habitats can increase the risk of disease transmission. In addition, the fragmented nature of orangutan populations can also make them more vulnerable to disease outbreaks. Conservation efforts for Sumatran orangutans include habitat protection, restoration and reforestation, as well as anti-poaching and law enforcement measures. Organizations such as the Sumatran Orangutan Conservation Program (SOCP) work to protect orangutans and their habitat through a range of activities, including community outreach and education programs, research, and rehabilitation and release of confiscated or rescued orangutans. The conservation of Sumatran orangutans is not only important for the survival of the species itself but also for the conservation of Sumatra's unique biodiversity. Sumatra is home to a wide range of endemic species, many of which are also threatened by habitat loss and other human activities. Protecting Sumatran orangutans and their habitat is therefore essential for the long-term conservation of Sumatra's ecosystems and the biodiversity they support. Efforts to protect Sumatran orangutans and their habitat also involve working with local communities to develop sustainable livelihoods that do not rely on forest destruction or hunting. For example, programs that promote sustainable agriculture, agroforestry, and ecotourism can provide alternative income sources for local communities while also reducing pressures on orangutan habitats.